So you guys, today is Grandma's birthday, and I'm giving her a little party. It's like family only.
Yeah.
And
I go to the pumpkin patch and get her.
they may go to the pumpkin patch tomorrow because they're supposed to go today and they're not dressed. And I had my mother, yes, my mother to get them dressed. Yes, I said it again. I had my mother to get them dressed, and she did not get them dressed on time. And I said I'm not going to get them dressed. So therefore, they're not going. And I did say my mother. So therefore, I'm not doing it, and I'm just gonna go.
Where's the mother?
Yeah, what the mama gonna do?
They stayed with Grandma last night. Grandma get them dressed.
Grandma.
Now look. Hey, happy birthday to Grandma.
Y'all, I'm not dressed for this. I'm not
Now
dressed
I asked you before we took pictures in the camera. Is this what you wear?
I told you no.
So that, no, you said yes.
I did not. I'm not dressed.
Get out my face.
I am not dressed.
Ain't no drinking there, boy.
Y'all know me. I don't get on camera like this right here. Now move that.
She looks fine today, you guys. And they got a big bear right there. I don't know why y'all like that nigger so much, but there he go.
Don't worry about this nigga.
Come on, let's get dressed. Y'all get on my nerve. Then about a bunch of savages. You're not finished with what?
They don't drink in there.
What you gotta say, princess?
Where's the drink there?
You don't drink
Yeah, that's what I got on.
That's where they at.
I'm not drunk.
Well, you don't see nothing in there, do you?
I can't see.
Show them calling y'all.
Y'all my head.
And my sister and my mama gave his first grandma for her
Grandma don't want no pumpkin. So we going to the pumpkin patch, though.
Yeah, and I'm going to get some pumpkin.
All right,
I'm
come on,
gonna
let's
put
get
my
dressed.
mouth around that for you.
But I'm going to get for grandma one for her birthday.
Y'all see how pretty I curled my hair this morning? It's so pretty. What you say, Granny?
Your hair.
I'm the best thing in this family. I want y'all to know that.
Look about them guys.
Hi, you guys. So we just left Publix getting Grandma cake and some of her food for a party today. And I don't know why Tallahassee is so busy and full today. What is today? Is today FSU homecoming game? Because I could have sworn somebody said that or somebody will be coming up. I think, and it's so packed today. It's so packed. I cannot stand to be around people like this, like in crowded places, back to back. I cannot stand that. Oh, that gets on my skin so bad. And then you got aggravated ass kids with you, like, oh my God. So you got all these people around you crowding your space, you know? And then you got damn aggravating ass bad kids, active kids. I'm not gonna label them as bad, but they are active, very active. So it drives me freaking crazy that I think everybody needs some ADD pills around here. Drop me off at the door and park. Trying to start me on bullshit with me. Bye, you guys. We got some chicken and stuff. The cake in the car. I'll show y'all that once I get there. Here I am. He's at the checkout line and waiting to check out.
I'm sorry, you're lying.
So I'll be back later. You guys, it is a hot freaking day today. I mean hot. Who burped like a dog back there?
Trinity. Hey, don't put the camera on me.
Cheese.
Yay!
We're getting the picture.
What are the camera for?
Cheese, girls. One boys, 1, 2, 3.
Don't forget them.
Vaughn, just smile if I can take a picture.
Cheese.
Alright, you guys. But we are gassing up. Been eating some good old Publix chicken. I had a piece and chicken still hurts me going there. I can't stand that. I'm about to be 8 months. Ooh. I'm 8 months tomorrow.
I get Halloween when you're in black treasure.
Almost been a year, you guys. That fast. In February. Should I like my makeup? I redid it. I did the glitter eye. Even though when I closed it, it creased up there but before I dried, but it's still really cute. I got so many compliments on my beautiful unicorn rainbow hair today. I might be a mermaid for Halloween. You know?
More chicken, please.
More chicken, son.
Always eat too like that.
Heat is making my lace sweat. I just hope it don't come up. I think y'all done finally ate all the drums because I like flats. I don't know why I'm worried about it because I can't eat it all like that.
Baba,
Yeah.
the drums are good.
The drums are good.
You should taste them.
Y'all comment below if you are a flat person or a drum. When what I mean by that, I mean by are you a flat, eat flats, or you eat, I think I'm out of drums. But you guys know what I'm talking about, but most people sometimes like they don't know what I'm talking about. But all these flats are left, oh yes. If I had this surgery, I would have went to town on these flats. Show them a drum, you guys. What's a drum?
This.
Oh, big drum. Hold it. Or are you a drum? So,
Or this a drum. Like that.
girl, you devoured that darn thing. Here you go, baby. Get your food.
How about these? What are those? This is what are those?
So are you a flat or are you a drum person? And these children eat some chicken. They eat you out of chicken at home. They should be like a chicken mukbang with them.
But you know, I always like to eat meat. And guys, don't forget.
And subscribe. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Kiss the time.
Don't forget that there's a loud car right there, right?
Right.
Yeah, we don't drink.
So we'll be back, you guys. We're going to go ahead and head home and start decorating for Grandma.
Yeah.
Hold up. Better believe she gon' leave with a real nigga. I think the judge can't put it down like I do. I get the bustin', no discussion, gotta deal with it. He must be worried about you.
If your dude come close to me, he gon' wanna ride off and it goes to me. I might let your boy show for me, but he gotta eat the booty like groceries. But he gotta get rid of these hoes for me. I might have a nigga selling his soul for me. Ooh, it's how I'm supposed to be. If he wants me to, it's supposed to be.
I ain't going back and forth with you, niggas.
You got a lot to be smiling for. So what the f you be wildin' for? So what the f you be wildin' for? If you're breathing, you achieving.
Hey!
We having fun.
Hey, I'm doing what? I'm living my I ain't going back and forth with y'all niggas.
I'm living my best life.
Hey!
I ain't going back and forth with you. I'm living my best life.
Back and forth with you, hoes.
Put your little fingers up in the air and show ahead and don't even much care. You finna give another bad shit.
Yeah, this is Grandma's birthday cake. It is so beautiful. Got it from the one and only Publix that has the best cakes. Happy birthday to the best grandma ever. Which she is, because I can't name one time that I really needed her and she was not there. Through my whole entire life. Ain't that right, Grandma? And I want to give her a little something, you know, because tomorrow's not promised and definitely next year is the promise. So I definitely want to give her a birthday party because I never seen her with a birthday party. Never along with candles and stuff. I want to see her blow her candles out. And I can take pictures of her. So we have chicken, macaroni and cheese, french fries, baked beans. We have hoagie sandwiches. We have those sweet rolls. We have cake and ice cream. So Grandma didn't want us to go overboard, of course. And she got her beautiful little balloons. You guys probably already saw they everywhere right now, hanging around. And these are the flowers I got her. So cute. And that's it. So we're going to think of some family games to do so we guys can spend time together as a family. And then at the end of the party, everybody going to take one big family portrait together. So, bye. Okay, you guys, this is my plate. macaroni and baked beans, french fries, a little piece of a chicken wing, and a soft cookie. I got sandwiches in there too, and sweet rolls and other stuff. But of course, I can't eat all that bread and stuff. So I can eat all this, but I got it on my plate though. So alrighty then, I'm going to eat my food and enjoy the quiet time outside. Okay, you guys, this is my birthday cake, and this is Grandma, and we finna get ready to sing happy birthday to her. Ron, hold my camera.
It's recorded. Ready?
Everybody step back so I can put the candles on Grandma's cake. Mom, get real. Turn that TV off. Turn the TV off for them.
Hey, Avis.
How many? Move back now.
Anybody kiss her Bob? Don't kiss him. No, not her. Mama, I love you.
Everybody hush now. I said hush. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Of course, I do not look like I'm 76. I thank you all very much. I know I'm just looking like I'm just 16. But thank you again. Bye.
Now let me hold it. Now blow it. Make it wish.
How old are you? How old are you?
You got no win.
Yay! Alright, let's
We'll take candle out.
Oh, you.
Bye. We'll take candle out. I got it. See, I got
you
you.
pick the first slice.
I was recording the whole time, Trip.
Okay.
Me too.
I was recording it. Did you get over nothing?
Me too.
Okay, Ron.
Come over here and cut the cake, or you want me to bring it to you?
No, I can.
Alright.
Y'all move back. I got a bad headache. Y'all let me back up.
Y'all move back, look on my cut a cake.
Okay, look.
Get out the way.
We can't give it to you.
No, you're not. You're just trying to hold the cake like you're doing with the candles right now.
Right. You didn't
You
eat
can
it.
have them.
No, you didn't eat it.
Oh, I know, eat it.
No, with those dirty fingers on.
Lick it.
No, I'm not.
Alright, so I cut the first slice.
Oh, my head hurt.
She said she can't have that much ice.
You like JJ on good time. You cut half of the cake.
You cut it in the middle. That slice. Yep. Don't take that slice.
You forget the first part what happened.
What?
Oh, we missing the part. We're missing this part.
So why you cutting it like that?
We missing the part when she cutting it.
You are the worst. Can't cut it in the world. You cutting no big humps. But still, you don't cut. That's how we got there, and you cut that goddamn cake like that. This is what she wants. You start at the edge and you cut. No, she cut these slices right here. Mama, you could have started at the block. You could have started at the end. You know what?
That's already block. Who cake is this?
Your mammy.
That's what she cut.
Saying that.
That's how she
Anybody want to get on big piece?
Grandma,
No, I
what
got one bag, but it ain't. So I can't get rid of it.
That was the dumbest thing ever.
This, if it's dumb, it's too bad.
Mama, just hush your mouth. Nobody asked you to speak.
You don't get no 2 pieces.
No, I'm not, Mama. Except for that.
Look, I can make it to 2, Destiny. Mama, Destiny made it 2.
That was just
Mama, he had messed up your. The phone is not that's good. I can't unlock it. Who take it?
See, that way everybody have a great big piece.
you still would have had a whatever. I'm not going to even debate about this.
Listen to this.